Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm making some lip gloss, though, obviously by the title. Okay, this is the lip gloss that I got from Slay and Play Cosmetics. I can't stress that enough. This is a black-owned business because I believe the girl is black. But look at that Versagel. Honestly, I've used that on my lips. Bomb, 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 bomb. I have no bad words for it. I like it. It's thick and I love the glitter. I love the butterflies. This I got from Lip Addicts on Eatsbay. And yeah, it wasn't the color that exactly I wanted, but I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little bit lighter, like a pastel pink pigment, but it's really nice. It's really nice. It gives you the color that I'm actually gonna go for is like a bubblegum color. So yeah, really super nice. But both of those, she's also a black owned business on Eats Bay too. I only support black owned businesses, baby. Not only, but lately I've been really on my black owned business stuff. Bought a couple lip gloss stuff from a few people. Bougie Barbie was the first. So yeah. Period. We support black owned businesses over here. If you don't, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you got going on. So yeah. This is me stirring it up. I didn't want a light color, and I kind of went overboard with the color, and I'm glad I went overboard with the color because I feel like I didn't want it to be, I wanted to look like bubblegum. Like, yeah, I wanted to look like bubblegum. I don't know why when I did that, I just thought of Bubblegum Princess from Adventure Time. Such a child, 24 years old, but I'm a child at heart. But yeah, that's the color I was looking for, like bubblegum. I didn't want it to be light, and the darker that I went, it kind of like took away from the glitter, but not really, because you can still see the glitter. I can see the glitter. So yeah, I like it. It's looking good. I made a second batch, you'll see, and it's not the same color. And I kind of like the richer pink. I wouldn't say darker pink. I like the richer pink. And those in the background, those are the ones that I made previously. I'm gonna edit that video soon, but I don't know why I edit this one first. So yeah, because maybe I was more excited about this one. That one was easier. It was pre-made, and I'm gonna make it really short. I don't like long lip gloss videos. My second lip gloss video didn't do good, so it's not that it didn't do good. It's just, I had music when I like my voiceovers. Like I could talk the way I want to talk. I can express myself. Like I can explain to you what's going on. All right, so I was listening to music, and I just had to make a snap because that color just looks so bomb. Like, it's so pretty. I just had to make a snap. Like, period. Yeah. Some of these YouTubers won't tell you where they got their Versagel, their pigments, this, that. I got those strawberries from Eats Bay too. I don't remember who it was. Probably, I don't know where it came from. So yeah. But those two things that I got, black owned. So I just needed to, you feel me? Period. Do that real quick. Get some black on. I researched that on Instagram. Yep, that's my snap right there. Sorry, I had to. Get your money up, not your funny up. That's what it says. If you want to add me on Snap, my Snap is Mookie_Savage. I believe with 2 E's. I'm not sure. But it's Mookie_Savage. And I had to send a picture to my boyfriend because it was so cute. I sent it to him. He said it looked like candy. And it smells like bubblegum. That's what I was going for. Clearly you can see I like pink. Like I really do. I'm starting to like pink. Pink phone case, pink everything. Just love pink. We just love pink out here. We just love it. So I had added some more. I don't know why. I just needed to. I felt like I needed to add more. I just don't know. But I added more. And I kind of sped it up a little bit because I don't want it to be a long video. So I had to like speed it up a bit. Because I don't want it to be a long video. And I don't want you guys to be like, oh, this is forever. I don't want nobody to be like, this is taking forever. Okay, that is my syringe. I think that's a 60 milliliter syringe. And now we're about to put this beautiful pink into the tubes. So yeah. But yeah, the first Versagel I ever bought, the one that's got like the first video I made that's like 900 views right now. It was from Bougie Barbie. I got a starter kit and it was bomb too. Yeah, she and a lot of people inspired me to make lip gloss during quarantine, and I'm glad I took up this trait because it's fun. It's not a not fun trait. It's fun. It's actually fun. I enjoy making lip gloss. I just hate making videos. I don't hate making videos. I just hate editing, because when you're a perfectionist, you just want everything to look a certain way, and when it doesn't, it's like, why publish something that's trash? For all that, just throw it in the trash. I like to enjoy what I'm doing, but editing like prevents me from that. But it's okay. Editing really prevents me from that. But man, these Versagel companies that I've been going, and there's been a lip gloss that I got. She was like a gay Pride Lips. That's what she is on Instagram. Sorry, I be getting YouTube notifications. But she's a, what is she? She's a lip gloss. She makes lip gloss. I didn't get no supplies from her. I just wanted to support another black-owned business, and I did. And it was good. It was pink and blue. She put pink and blue, like, for like, I forgot what pink and blue, what flag that means for like the gay flag. But yeah, pink and blue. That's the one I got. It looked so fire, and it was so fire. Like, in love with it. In love with it. No bad complaints here. That's like one of my favorite parts. Looking at it fill up. That is so lit. Looking at it fill up is so lit. So lit. I have way more left. I just don't have enough tubes. So if you're looking for tubes, there was for Slay and Play Cosmetics, that's right there. If you go to that Instagram, she had a sale for 40% off, and she had 10 of these bomb lip gloss tubes, but they look better than the one I have. There were 10 of those for $8, and it's 40% off. I don't know if it's 40% off now, but when I get a chance, I'm gonna get it, because girl, it's nice. That's a good deal. Okay. And I want to get some more Versagel from her and some other things. Like, she's really good. She's got all types of stuff. I like it. I like her stuff. Yeah. So I'm making a second batch, and as I said, the second batch was gonna be a little bit lighter, because yeah, it's gonna be a little bit lighter, because I felt like I wanted to see, like, clearly the lighter one shows the glitter more and the butterflies more, but man, that pink one, just fire. Y'all let me know at the end which one y'all like, because I really like which one do I like? I like the darker one, the richer one. So yeah. I added some more Versagel because I know I needed some more, because I didn't want to, you rather have more than less, you feel me? And in my case, I had way more. So now I just need to buy some more tubes soon so that I can make some more lip gloss and have more to have my collection in the background, like the little stacks, which I think is so organized and nice. Have the stacks filled up, like, you know, and make more videos for y'all, obviously. So that's my last tube now. I used the squeeze method. I got that from somebody on YouTube. That one looks cute too, but that looks like, I don't know. I use that method, and yeah, I put the tubes on off camera. And oh, let me make this statement before I go. I don't have all gloves because I didn't have any gloves, and these are not for sale. Oh, that's one that's defective. Let me say, Amazon, you better count your days, because when I hate when I get like defective, like the tubes don't match the thing. You're like, come on, like, I paid my money for this. Count your freaking days, Amazon. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all you're gonna hear from me. Count your days. This isn't the best batch that I made, but these are so nice. The color is so nice. I wanted to use those strawberries, but those will get used soon. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. And this is just me showing that I do clean it after, but the defective ones I don't put in water because I feel like it's just going to submerge in water because it's defective. It's like crooked. I don't like that it's crooked at the top and doing that weird crookedy thing. That's antibacterial soap, by the way. So yeah,